What's the meaning of bra? Bra. Bra.
Bra. Bra. Bra is a short form of brassiere, which refers to a piece of women's undergarment that covers and supports the breasts. This garment is typically worn by women as an everyday or formal wear item for fashion, comfort, or aesthetic purposes. The bra industry has evolved over time, with various designs and styles being developed to meet the diverse needs and preferences of women worldwide. Some common types of bras include the push-up, sports, balconette, and strapless bras. Wearing a bra can help to enhance the shape of the breasts, provide support during physical activity, and improve overall comfort and confidence.